dark. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. The temperature is, turn you around, temperature is -3. It's cold out there. We'll go and get a car. We're going to go on a little walk today and do some reminiscing. Anyway, let's go get it. So I just got some diesel, and that's how cold it is, and that's how dark it is out there. So cold. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. What are you doing? You're in the toilet. There he is.
It's a bit cold, boss.
It's cold. The moon's out.
Huh?
What have you got here?
I thought I'd take the car from you, boss. I'm gonna go grab your welly boots because I think it's gonna be a bit boggy.
You think? It's frozen.
I'm still gonna put boots on.
Fair enough. Look at this. So quiet. One bird cheeping away in the trees. So we're at Tottenhoe Knolls, so this is like in Bedfordshire, not far from Dunstable Downs actually, and it is really peaceful. What car is that?
This is my crawler, this is.
I don't do crawling, you know that.
We're going for a walk. I thought I'd take it out, keep me company.
Alright then.
Sometimes
Has it got lights on?
it has got lights on. I haven't switched them all on.
Oh, there it is, trundling off into the distance. One man and his crawler. There's the first obstacle. I don't suppose it's an obstacle, is it? Because it's going to get up that real quick. No problem with that. So this is where it all kind of started for us. Well, we shot a video here ages ago, didn't we?
We did. It was during the COVID era when there were no clubs. There weren't a lot of anything going on really, and we were allowed a half an hour exercise a day. So we had a little half-hour loop that we could walk out around, and then once you were allowed to start to socialise in small groups, we had a couple of meetups up here. Again, playing with the crawlers.
Yeah, that's where we met a few of the people we raced with. If you look over here, the moon's out. That is actually the moon. It's really crazy. We've chosen the most amazing morning for this. So we're basically just after New Year. Well, I think it's the 3rd today. I don't know. I think it's the 3rd.
You lose track of days, didn't you?
Yeah, lose track of days and time and all that. Anyway, we'll get to the top.
This is the FTX Centaur. I've got flashy lights on it at the moment, but I can turn those off.
Right.
Or I could just have them on. I've got my hazard lights there as well. We've got indicators. It's pretty cool really. It's got a winch on it as well that you can pull in and pull out.
A winch, just in case we fall off the
Exactly.
edge of that, because I'm just going to walk over it. Now it's going to get windy, right? I presume. Yeah, there you go. That's a sheer drop right down there. Man, that is nice. That really is stunning. So we've had a pretty good couple of outings over the Christmas holidays. You might well have seen we went to Tamworth and we raced our LMGT3 cars, which was an experience, weren't it?
It was. I say, we were doing the LMGT3, which is supposed to be a step down class from the full-blown LMP. I don't consider myself a bad driver, but I ended up coming second to last on that day.
Yeah.
So clearly not that good, am I?
I don't think it was that. I think the standard was super high there. But that was cool. I think I ended up coming 5th. I said 4th in the video that we did, but I came 5th in the B final. And then we went to wheel spin, and that was a good day. That was wicked, wasn't it? So we enjoyed that. We did a full day there. Then we did their club meeting, which was awesome. So all in all, pretty good couple of outings, weren't it?
And then obviously we're going out for today for just a bit of fresh air.
Yeah.
Bit of a unwind before we're back to work on Monday.
I don't want to talk about work.
The routine begins again. Yeah, but excitingly, we've got lots of things planned already for next year. We're starting to get more people ask us if we can run events at their clubs and facilities, which means our calendar
it's getting full.
It's pretty chocker. So we need to actually sit down before we go back to work and pencil some of these in. Otherwise, they're not going to happen, boss.
No, that's very true.
I want to go this way.
Come on then, let's go.
Well, it is a lovely morning. We found our bench where we used to sit and chill. But Mark has come prepared. What we got?
Come prepared. I've got some. It's only instant coffee. It's nothing too special. Because I thought we'd celebrate. You see, we'd celebrate another good year of going out, playing with our little toys, and enjoying ourselves. It has been a good year. It's been. You know what happened?
Do you know what? Actually,
Go on.
You've made a point there. We come out, we play, we have fun, and I think that's something I want to take into 2026. I want it to be fun. Remember why we took this up in the first place.
I know. I think sometimes, and I speak for a lot of people who do RC racing especially, we can get to a point, like we spend our hard-earned money, don't we, on our toys and that, and we sometimes take it too seriously, get to a race meeting, and because you don't win and things like that. I think you're right. I've probably got to take it less seriously and enjoy the fun aspect of it. You know, going out and just meeting people and doing stuff. Do you know what? Yesterday was quite a poignant day for me. Do you know what yesterday was for me?
I do actually, but tell the viewers.
So yesterday was 18 years since my dad passed away. 18 years. So basically, without getting too heavy on it, it's cool, whatever. He died 1 week before my first daughter was born. So her 18th birthday's next week, basically. So, yeah, and it makes you think, doesn't it? Because he's missed out on so much. Actually, the reason I do RC is because of him. So you probably know that. You watch the videos and stuff. So yeah, just get out and enjoy it, innit? So what's your, I say, New Year's resolution? I don't like to use that term because
I normally do
goals, perhaps.
I do different ones. So I normally have a family one, I normally have a fitness one, I normally have a hobby one, and then maybe something a little bit more random. So I've got a few things I'm thinking about. I think in terms of RC though, I'm not going to say less is more, but quality over quantity is, I think, something I want to take into this year. And you can look at that in many different ways, whether it's the quality of the cars or the quality of the competitions we're entering. Maybe a little bit less is more. Again, with our videos that we put out, last year we tried 1 month, we put out a video every day. Didn't really do much for the channel, so maybe less is more, slightly longer videos, better quality.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. I went on holiday last year with the family and we did a little bit of rock climbing, and since that my kids have shown an interest in it. So while my kids are interested, I'm all over it. So I'm going to start rock climbing with the family. Hopefully I might be motivated to lose a few more pounds, because lugging 16 stone up a wall is not easy. So bit of climbing, and then hopefully the fitness stuff will come with doing something fun.
We spend ourselves worrying too much about things, don't we?
Definitely.
Worrying about this, worrying about money, blah blah blah. So I think if I can take anything into 2026, is what you just said there, it's just to stop worrying so much and enjoy life. You know what I mean? Can't be bad. Look around. You look at this.
It really is amazing location. The sun is definitely up now. Doesn't make it any warmer though. I'm freezing. So I'm going to stop recording because I want my coffee.
Have your coffee. But listen, that's all this video was. A bit of a waffly one, getting out just after Christmas. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year to everybody. Thanks for all the continued love on the channel. Keep up to date with what we're doing. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you on another video soon. That was good. Hey, you got something for me?
Huh?
Hey, you got something for me?
Oh yeah. I'll
Go get it.
I'll grab it. Hang on. There yours.
There it is. What's it saying? It B7 WS Fast Fox conversion kit. Well, how about that? Thank you. Video coming soon on that.
I'd like to say so,
What?
but you don't tend to rush perfection, so maybe that'll be ready 2027.
2027.
Come and see you in 2027.
We'll have it built.
Have a good one. I'm going to get some breakfast.
Yeah, well done. See you later. Bye.
See you, bye.